Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Haley Pham, and today is a gigantic day for me. I have not cut my hair in 3 years, and today we are going to chop it all off to a lob, a long bob. That's right, I'm gonna chop it off to like here. All of this is going to be gone, and I'm going to donate it. It's time to say goodbye, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, vlogging style, and we're gonna go get my hair cut. I'll show you the final results. I'm really nervous if you can't tell. The appointment is happening in like 45 minutes, so let's go!
Begin right there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do a pre-cut right now. I'm gonna take it to about right there. Toss it all over the place and just kind of stare at it.
Oh my goodness.
What do you
Like
think?
the difference between layers and texture. But
Oh, this is the perfect way. This is exactly what I wanted.
Oh, that makes me so happy.
It feels so light.
I like how it just shapes.
Yeah. Oh, this is perfect.
And I like that we didn't layer the face. I think this gives it a really good pop.
I love that. I
feels
love
so
that.
light. Oh my gosh.
So light.
I love it. It's so, like, it feels so thin. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Looks really good.
You can actually see my outfits now. Like, my hair doesn't, like, cover my entire
Right, yeah.
Alright, let's go.